Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I will show you how to crochet very easy baby hat for the size 0 to 3 months, and this is Erie Stitch hat. So let's get started. First of all, I will make chain 4 and I will create a ring. Now I start round 1 by making chain 2, counts as double crochet, and I will make 12 double crochets in the ring. I will join with slip stitch to 4 stitch, and for round 1 I will have 13 double crochets. So I continue with round 2. I will make chain 2 to count as double crochet, and I will make 2 double crochets in each stitch around. I'll join with slip stitch to 1st stitch, and I'll have 26 double crochets. Now I'm starting round 3. I will make chain 2 to count as double crochet, and I will make 2 double crochet in next stitch, 1 double crochet in the following stitch. I repeat this step until the end of the round. So when I finish the round 3, I'll have 40 double crochets. I will join with slip stitch to first stitch. So I continue with round 4 by making chain 2 and 1 double crochet in first stitch, then chain 1 and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. I will skip 2 stitches and I will make 1 easy stitch into the next. So the easy stitch is 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in one same stitch. After every 2 stitches, I will repeat this easy stitch, making it in the third stitch. I will join with slip stitch to first stitch. There are 13 easy stitches for round 4. I continue with round 5. I will make 1 slip stitch in chain 1 space of first easy stitch from the previous round, and then I will make chain 2 or 3 if you prefer. It is not mandatory to make 2. And I will make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochets in the same chain 1 space. I continue with the easy stitch in each chain 1 space within every easy stitch from the previous round. I continue with the stitch. I will join with slip stitch to first stitch. I'll start the round 6. Round 6 to round 9 are the same as round 5, so I'll repeat round 5 for these 4 rounds. A little note: it is not mandatory to start with slip stitch. It is possible to make chain 1 and then slip stitch in first chain 1 space. Continue in the same way until round 9 is completed. I will work on the head border now, switching to a 4mm hook. Round 10, I made chain 1, then 1 single crochet in first stitch, then 1 single crochet in chain 1 space, and 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So for the first ear stitch I will have 4 single crochets. So I'll repeat this step for each ear stitch. I will join with slip stitch to first stitch and continue with round 11. Round 11 to round 15 are the same, so starting with chain 1, 1 single crochet in each stitch around, and then join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. I'll cut the yarn and I will weave in the ends. I'll decorate the head with a stylish flower. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe, that way you will stay informed and I'll be posting videos very frequently. Thanks again and have a wonderful day!